Hey, you are about to discover how you can create more necklace designs with just one technique. Today we have for you some designer ideas using the flower snake chain technique that we have covered in a previous video, and I will have the link for you in the description below. Hey, it's me, Mia. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. It's great to have you. If you want not only to learn some beading patterns, but also how to take that to a designer level, consider subscribing. Hit the bell button and you won't miss anything. We start with the stopper bead. Add 8 seed beads. Go back through the first one. Pick up the color for the center. Count 3. 1, 2, 3, and go up the 4th. Here we have our first flower. We create our connector, pick up 2 seed beads, go back up through 2, move the thread down, for the lower bead, for the lower flower, pick up 3 plus 1, 1 being the center flower. We finish the flower by adding 3 seed beads. And this is our second flower ready. We make another one. So we change the color to black seed beads. We create the connector. Move the thread. I usually flip the work because it's more convenient to work like that. The bottom part of the flower 3 plus 1. The upper part of the flower 3. And this is the sequence we want to work with ready. Now we are working with a 6 mm pearl. We pick up the pearl and the color 1 seed bead in the color of the next flower we want to make. And now we go back through the pearl, and here we connect back with the thread, with the seed bead where the thread comes up from the opposite side. We are closing a loop this way. Now we move the thread back up and through the seed bead as well. Now our work is ready to continue with another sequence. So we create the first circle and we have already one. We will need 7 more. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pick up the center, skip 3, go back up the 4th. Here we create the next 2 flowers. And here, while the 6mm pearl looks very nice, let's have a look and see how an 8mm. Let's see how a 10mm would look like. So we pick up the pearl, the seed bead in the color of the next flower, go back through the pearl and around the seed bead where the thread came out from the opposite way. Go back up through the pearl and up through the seed bead. And here we start again with a circle of 8 and the next 3 flowers. And now for the bonus part of our tutorial, I want to show you how you can also use, we have used here the glass pearls, but why not use the real pearls? Like here we have some mother of pearl beads, nuggets, and you can use them in your designs using the same technique. So the bead, the seed bead for the next color, go back through the bead from the other side through the seed bead from the original flower, go back through the bead and back up through the seed bead. And here you have a lovely way of introducing this type of beads in your netted projects. Usually these are quite heavy beads and it's difficult to use them other than using wire in your projects, but this way it gives enough strength, and if you are not using too many, the chain will be able to sustain. So here we have 2, 4, 6, 7 and 8, and let's do this like that. And here I want to connect right away one of our nuggets. So the nugget, the color of the next flower, skip the seed bead, go back through the nugget, and here in the other direction, pull tight to the thread, go back and up. And this is how you can have the real pearls in your project as well, not just the glass ones. I hope you like it, and leave me a comment if there's anything that you didn't understand, and see you in our next tutorial.